Slow cookers are great for meal prepping with healthy slow cooker recipes and for easy, hands-off lunch and dinner. If you're looking for the best slow cooker in 2022, we have reviewed some of the best options for you, considering your needs and budget. So, without any further ado, let's get started. Let's begin with the Instant Pot Pro. The Instant Pot Pro is the best slow cooker you can buy at the market now. It sets out to replace 10 kitchen appliances, including a pressure cooker, slow cooker, saute pan, rice cooker, steamer, yogurt maker, and warmer. Coming to its performance, it has 28 cooking modes for preparing different dishes and 5 programmable settings for your own unique recipes. These 5 buttons will allow you to store your favorite settings for recipes you regularly make, giving you the convenience of the one-touch programs. And another impressive feature of the Instant Pot is that the inner pot can be used on the hob to sear food before cooking with its handles, which will help you take the pot straight to the table easily and safely. Its additional safety features include an overheat protection, a safe locking lid, an upgraded gentle steam release switch with diffusing cover to reduce noise and prevent splashing on the counter, and more. Next is Instant Pot Duo 60. This Duo is another excellent option that offers all the standard Instant Pot features with an extra setting for making homemade yogurt. It is available in 3, 6, and 8 quart options and claims to replace 7 common kitchen appliances, including a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, saute, steamer, yogurt maker, and warmer. Its inner pot comes made of stainless steel, boasting a 3-ply bottom for even heat distribution. And for cooking options, it has 13 customizable smart programs for pressure cooking ribs, soups, beans, rice, poultry, yogurt, desserts, and more. It can pressure cook delicious one-pot meals up to 70% faster than traditional cooking methods, or slow cook your favorite traditional recipes, just like Grandma used to make. And finally, for the handle, it has a large handle on top, making opening and closing it quick and easy, while the extra slots on both side handles can be used to prop up the lid when it's not in use. Next is Instant Pot Ultra. With endless options for customization, this Instant Pot Ultra comes packed with extra features for the home chef who loves to cook. It offers 21 preset temperature options, more than any other Instant Pot model on our list. It claims to replace 10 common kitchen appliances, including a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice porridge cooker, yogurt maker, cake maker, egg cooker, saute searing, steamer, warmer, and sterilizer. And designed with a large blue LCD display with a cooking indicator, can provide one a clear visual of the progress of your dish from preheating, cooking, and keep warm. While its central dial with a simple turn and press provides added precision in program selection and adjustments. It also has a new steam release reset button that ensures the safer handling of steam release after cooking is completed. Next is Chef IQ. This Chef IQ pressure cooker is an innovative cooker that comes with great features for both expert and novice home cooks. By design, it comes all in a black matte, while the control panel is a rectangle in shiny blackness. Let's start with its touchscreen, a smart interface that makes the features easy to access. Its screen begins with a selection of pressure cook, sear saute, steam, slow cook, favorites, and more. And choosing one of the options will change the display in the center, letting you know the selected options. Utilizing its precise built-in scale, you can easily measure ingredients and cook by weight, simplifying prep and cleanup with no measuring cups needed. As its 4 integrated smart sensors can measure ingredients accurately and tell you exactly how much liquid is required to cook meals to perfection. In addition to this, it has an auto pressure release function, which can automatically release steam at the end of pressure cooking for increased safety and convenience with 3 pressure release methods, like quick, pulse, and natural. This all-in-one cooker also includes a convenient steam rack and steam basket, and more smart cooking essentials. And to receive wireless firmware updates, you can connect your smart cooker to the Chef IQ app via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Lastly, we have the COMFEE 6-quart pressure cooker. This COMFEE is an excellent slow cooker that provides 12 preset smart programs like pressure cook, saute, bake, stew, steam, oatmeal, slow cook, saute, soup broth, egg, rice, bean chili, and yogurt. It claims that it can replace 9 common kitchen appliances, including pressure cooker, slow cooker, saute pan, rice cooker, yogurt maker, cake maker, egg cooker, steamer, and food warmer. At the front, it houses a LED display, making it easy to read from a distance. And these control panel designs include a DIY manual setting, a dedicated start-cancel button, a menu button to choose 12 preset programs, and a keep warm function. Finally, for advanced safety protection, it offers 9-in-1 safety features comprising a lid lock, anti-block cover, pressure limiting valve, automatic pressure and temperature control, overheat protection, and more. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.